Hey, good morning, guys. Today is Thursday. Yesterday was Wednesday, and we were asynchronous. Asynchronous means that you do not have to get into the Google Meets. That's because yesterday the 11th graders were testing. And the way that you can check that is in studentmightyeagles.com. You could have checked the October testing calendar. Yesterday, you see right here in pink, it said 11th graders were testing. So let me click it open. It also says that 9th graders stay home. Grades 9, 10, and 11 and 12 will stay home asynchronous. That means you just do your work. And if you do your work, you get attendance for that day and you get the grade for that day. I saw a lot of zeros yesterday. That means you did not log in, you did not do your work, you were absent. So I sent a remind message for you guys to go ahead and do your work so that I can change your attendance. And I will be changing attendance today for those of you who did the work yesterday. Okay? It's also for a grade, so even if you didn't do it yesterday, you need to do it for a grade. So Tuesday is 9th graders, so you guys will be doing PSAT testing. I think you're supposed to sign up for it. Not sure how that works, but you guys will come in and take the test for PSAT. On the 27th and the 29th, that's going to be the 12th grade and the 10th graders taking PSAT. So what does that mean for you guys? Same thing. You stay home and you work on your stuff asynchronous. That means you don't get into Google Meets this day, orange, which is October 27th, or October 29th. You stay home and you do all of your work so that your teacher can count you present and so that you can get that grade for the day. Okay? So if you did not do yesterday's work, make sure that you do yesterday's work. It was very important. We talked about Desmos and how you can use it from now on in tests and during class work. Remember, Desmos calculator is right here. This is the one that you click on. If you are missing anything, you guys have not been checking your grades. When you click on grades on the left side, it will give you all of your assignments. Some of them are going to say missing. Some of them are not going to say missing. If it says 0, it's missing, even if it doesn't have this right here on the side. Okay? If it doesn't have a grade, it's a 0. Okay? So all you need to do is click on it, and you can go work on that. And you can also, like right here, when this opens up, you can go backwards. You see right here, this is the assignment. If you click this, the one to the left of it, it will take you to that day, that specific day, and it gives you videos that you can watch before you take that assessment. Okay? Another way that you guys can see it is if you go to the calendar, right here, Algebra 1 calendar. You can click on the calendar, and it will show you everything that we've done so far. Okay, so let's say you missed last week on Friday. If you click there, it will take you straight to that folder. You don't have to go look for it. This is only for third period folder, and this is for everybody else. So first period, second period, fourth period, you would click here, and it would take you straight into that folder for that day so that you can watch all the videos, write down all the notes, and then take the assess for that day. Okay, so I'm going through a lot of stuff, and it's just because we have new people, but there's also people who haven't been doing their work, and I don't know what's going on. They don't even log into the Google Meets, so that's that. But every day you're supposed to click on the button for that day. And every week I'm changing these buttons. So no, you cannot click on these buttons to go back to last week. You have to go into the calendar right here and click on those yourself, or you can go straight into grades and click on those yourself and work backwards. If you have any questions, you guys need to send me a Google chat or a message somewhere, a remind message asking for help. Another thing, if you're going to be absent or for whatever reason you can't do the work that day, I need you to send me a message. Yesterday, a lot of you were not doing your work. I need to know why. Was it just because you didn't want to do it? I mean, those are zeros, and that is an absence. So please communicate with me. If you have any questions, let me know. Click on Thursday. This is what we're doing today. You have 2 ed puzzles. Make sure that you write down notes and that you take it seriously because those 2 are grades, okay? And then the practice quizzes to see how well you learned the information.